na ano ko na rin sa sarili ko na I want to be alone. But last night, because of my anger, upset, siguro sabi ko yun. So I told Tata this morning the story. But in the church, I want really to cry. Lord, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry kasi hindi dapat ako magalit kasi pala nag-prepare. We have a rosary on Saturday. And I was so tired, the whole week was working and then prepare something. And then Kristen asked me to make biko for so ini-schedule ko kasi ayaw ko yung magdali-dali. So I said to Kristen, okay, pwede lang, medyo mahaba kasi gusto ko lang i-release. Pili na ako ng Huwebes pa lang yung parang Sabado para hindi na mamadali. Sabi mo na, masyadong maaga. Friday morning, sabi mo, no, we have another working space. Then I said, so I tried to go to Kim R to buy the food, but Manang don't know that I have already something for the Saturday. But I asked Kristen, okay, I will make biko Friday, Saturday, Thursday night, and then you will do the rest for cleaning the house, yung kanyang doon isda, marumi na. Very interesting because I'm so tired, I'm old enough for that. Okay, Tia. So I expect everything is ready for Friday night. Then 9 o'clock, I called Christine. And she said right away, Tia, sorry, hindi ako nagpunta doon kasi nandito ako ko. So, binaba ko kaagad yun. Galit.
Day! Kasunod na may invite sa'yo, huwag ka nang ma-upset dahil surprise na naman ulit yun.
Kala yung biko, nandito pa. So, really, I said to Tata this morning, but I want to climb the church because I don't know what I really feel. So,